I'm Graham from the Pillar Tool Company here in New Zealand, and I'd like to show you how to replace the top blade on one of our great Pillar Tools loppers. To replace the blade on a Pillar Tool lopper, we need a 13mm spanner, I use a ratchet, and a 10mm spanner. We need a genuine Pillar Tools blade, and we need some very good quality grease. I use a marine grease because that way it won't wash out quickly and it will last a lot longer in the products being used. We also have a blade bolt pivot set sitting here ready to go in case the bolt is worn and we can easily replace it. To replace the blade, we take our 13mm spanner and we undo the center pivot bolt. The washer aside. We examine the bolt for wear. This particular bolt is worn, so we'll discard it, put it aside. We now undo our blade with our 10mm socket. Remove the arm, take the bolts off, we discard the blade, we take our Pillar Tool genuine blade and we mount the two bolts through here, here. We mount the handle on here and quickly replace the nuts. Do those up firmly so they're not going to come undone. We take a new bolt, we apply grease to the inner cup here, we put the bolt back through and we apply grease around the shaft so there's plenty of grease. Needs plenty of grease. We place that back through the blade itself. We then line the keyway up with the key in the top blade here. We slide that down there. The cup washer, we put the cup so the cup is facing down so it grips onto the blade, and we do the bolt up. We do it up just nice and firm, and then we raise the arm up in the air. In fact, it'd be better if we did it this way, so you can see me adjust the bolt. We raise the arm up in the air, and then we just slacken this nut down just fractionally until the arm falls of its own accord. Give it a couple of good flicks, make sure it's okay. Our Pillar Tools lopper is now ready to do the work. For more great Pillar Tools products and tutorials, click the subscribe button and bell for alerts and upgrades from Pillar Tools. Our website is www.pillartools.co.nz.